Quartz epoxy flooring offers a durable, aesthetically appealing, and cost-effective solution for a wide range of settings, from commercial to industrial facilities. Its seamless, non-porous surface resists water, chemicals, and stains, making it easy to clean and maintain while ensuring longevity. The addition of quartz sand enhances both the texture and appearance, providing slip resistance and allowing for customizable designs in various colors and patterns. This type of flooring is also environmentally friendly, with many systems emitting low levels of volatile organic compounds, or VOCs. Whether for high-traffic areas or environments requiring hygienic surfaces, quartz epoxy flooring combines functionality and style with long-term value. For more information, call us at 800-928-7220 or visit our website at highperformancesystems.com.